up guys? It's me, Regina, and for today's vlog guys, we're on the way sa Hong Kong. Nandito kami ngayon sa Clark International Airport. Time check, it's 5:03 PM guys. We're about to board ng 6:20. Yeah, see you Hong Kong!
Whisper something I could hear. Away for the weekend, shooting a deer. We sit in silence with your rifle by my ear.
Just landed guys. Time check, it's 10:17 PM na guys. And now, pupunta na kami sa aming hotel. Ang mode of transportation namin is bus.
To keep you here, but you push me out. I keep you down. You touch my mind.
Nakapila na tayo dito sa bus terminal nila. Ang sasakyan natin is A11 pala guys, dahil papunta tayo ng Causeway. Pwede pala namin ay mga Gcash card guys.
Lie like you mean it and I'm halfway home. Stuck in the middle like you call my phone. Speak like a riddle and you break me to pieces and skip town. God, I love when you let me down.
Dito lang to guys sa #B. Sarap. Magkano kasi ito? 12 isa. 12 isa guys. $12 isa. Sarap. Hey guys, so sumakay lang kami ng Victra for $3. Ito yung double decker nila guys. Ito kami sa second floor nila. And yeah. Pumili kami ng waffle. Try natin. Time check guys, it's 1:48 and we're here at Cafe de Coral guys. Ang in-order ko, ito siya guys. For only $50. Tapos yung sa kuya ko guys, 49 like it. 49, $50 guys. So approximately mga 350 pesos siya per sauce.
Ito,
ano yan?
butol yung Peking duck.
Nandito na kami ngayon guys sa MTR. Tinry namin ang Gcash card pero hindi siya umandar guys. Pero ang GoTime pwede siya. Pero if wala naman kayong mga cards like GoTime or Gcash, pwede naman kayong bumili ng Octopus card or yung single journey nila guys. Kami ngayon sa Diamond Hill and 4 stations pa bago tayo makarating sa Diamond Hill. So, nandito na kami sa aming destination which is the Lian Garden. Wala tong entrance fee. Ito sa mga tourist attraction din dito sa Hong Kong.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me away from you. Don't take me away from you.
Good morning, guys. Today, guys, ang tour namin will be sa Disneyland. Time check, guys, it's 8:33 in the morning. And pupunta kami ngayon sa 7-Eleven, guys, para bumili ng breakfast. Oh, kuya, bisa ka? Bibili muna kami ng breakfast, guys. Dito lang din sa tabi ng 7-Eleven. So, wala kami makita na sarap kainin sa 7-Eleven. Yun, sige, tuna. Ano siya? Okay, sige, babe.
Okay.
Try na rin. Parang meatballs.
I'm not good at dancing, so just be with me tonight. Wanna taste your chapstick, call it mango sugar high. I'm sorry, I need space now. I forgot just how to breathe. Catch me scraping barrels for a reason just to leave. I just want to forget about the things I had to do. Turn my floors to trampolines, levitate right through the roof.
So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Disneyland. Check, it's 10:25 in the morning, guys. Sobrang init na din siya. And sobrang dami na din tao, guys. Ang first ride namin will be World of Frozen. Medyo malayo din siya sa dulo, guys. Kaya, tara.
I switch gears like a stick shift. Won't make sense as a poem. Don't hit me with your small talk if you ever wanna know me.
We're here, guys, at World of Frozen. Walang pila, dire-diretso lang, guys.
That I don't care, 'cause I'm not a simp for the culture. Why can't we just decide to delete IG from my phone? Yeah. Oh no. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. I just want to forget about the things I had to do. Hey, hey. Turn my floors to trampolines, levitate right through.
Dito na kami sa next namin, guys. Ito yung Iron Man experience. Medyo mabilis lang din yung pila. Mga 10 minutes waiting time, guys.
I've got this feeling like I'm looking over.
Third ride na namin to, guys. And nandito na kami ngayon sa Ant-Man.
Waiting for you to come over all the time. Do you believe in something pulling us towards a connection that forever could change our direction?
Time check, guys. It's 12:32 p.m. Lunchtime na. And nandito kami ngayon sa Starliner Diner, guys. Malapit lang to sa Ant-Man. So, dito na din kami magla-lunch.
Latin American.
Lasang ano? Austin.
Basta favorite niya kanun nitong nag-gasis kaya kami eh. Di siya yun yan. Pop.
Dapat sakto yan.
Mas pag sinabraya mo,
Wow, kaya milya mo dapat talaga.
Pero pag sabra ko lang niya, ay...
may akay.
Nga kaya next.
$130 pa eh. Pagkatapos namin kumain, pumunta na kami dito sa Adventureland kasi manonood kami ng Moana.
Now, are you ready to join us?
Yes!
Get it back! Come and celebrate with us! The time has come! Moana has returned! Let's celebrate it!
Dito naman kami guys sa Lion King. Ang oras nito ay 2:30. Pagkatapos ng Moana, dumiretso lang kami dito guys. Sobrang daming tao. Parang stadium siya guys. Ayan. Ano masasabi mo naman sa Disneyland so far? Good.
My feet hurt so much.
Yeah, so much walking. Sobra na ako sa 10,000 steps.
Pwede na!
Dito kami guys sa Big Grizzly Mountain Mining. Wait kami ng mga approximately 30 minutes guys. Yan na!
In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smile. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while. But best friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch, 'cause everybody knows it will never be the same. We move on and people change, and our best friends are growing up, and I won't tell the reason. Never get to see them, but clearly they don't need to.
After guys, mag-ride. May free popcorn pa rin yung voucher namin. Meron kayong choice, popcorn or ice cream. Kasama yun ha, snacks, lunch, and dinner. Dun sa binayaran namin sa clock guys. Diba? Sulit na.
Language indicated by a sign above each of the turnstiles.
Behind you! Wow! I mean, the trees!
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good.
Kakatapos na namin sumakay ng Jungle River Cruise guys. Time check, it's 4:44. Nakadami na din kami guys. Siyempre, sulitin pa natin guys.
And it takes it all away. Don't take me away.
Magda-dinner na kami. Early dinner guys. Baked pork chop. Baked pork chop ang in-order namin, guys. Kaya kami nag-early dinner kasi later on, guys, pupwesto na kami dun sa Momentos para at least makakuha kami ng magandang spot, guys.
I mean the bare necessities or Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life.
Man, America, stroll right into town. Then be just like the other men. I'm tired of walking around.
Wanna see one dancing, walking around on those. What do you call it? You look inside, you find our
So yun guys, kakatapos na namin kay Mickey. Sobrang solid pa rin talaga. World class talaga ang kanilang performance guys. Time check 7:33. And malabas na lahat ng tao. Pumapwesto na guys sa kanilang spot.
As soon as time begins, the magic's never ending, and memories worth remembering.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is our day 4 here at Hong Kong. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Ngong Pin kasi pupunta kami sa Big Buddha. And then nandito kami ngayon dyan sa City Outlets, guys. City Gate Outlets. Tapos pupunta na kami sa cable car, guys. Pupunta kay Big Buddha.
Secrets we tell each other, they come out one at a time as they fall on deaf ears at quiet times alone, while we rehearse them in the mirror, waiting for the time to be right. When we know.
So, nandito na tayo sa Big Buddha. Ayan, as you can see sa likod ko, guys. Approximately siguro sabi nila 200 steps daw. Kaya, tara na guys. Medyo mahaba-haba itong akyatan. So, ito na guys. Start na tayo sa unang step. Medyo okay pa naman. Siyempre, warm up lang to guys. Nakasikat yung araw ngayon, pero ang weather nila guys, mahangin and malamig yung hangin nila guys. Time check kasi it's 1:29 PM guys, pero malamig dito guys. Yeah, tara, let's go! Nandito naman tayo guys sa Chimchachu Station. Dito na makikita yung mga Clock Tower, Avenue of Stars, Cultural Center, Museum of Art. Yan guys. At saka yung mga Symphony of Lights guys. Mamaya din yun. So yeah, let's go.
Looking over my shoulder like I'm waiting for you to come over all the time.
So, nandito naman kami sa Temple Night Market. Located to dito sa Jordan, guys. Umaba kami sa Jordan Station. $6 lang yung pamasahe kung galing kayo ng Chimchachu. So, tingin-tingin muna tayo na makakain natin. Let's go!
How much for this one?
Guys, bumili kami ng beef shawarma kebab for $59 guys. Tikman natin siya. Yung sauce niya, parang white sauce siya. Okay din naman yung lasa niya. Hindi lang ako ganun nasarapan dun sa shawarma na yun. Ito naman next namin guys, chicken wings na may rice. Actually, natikman ko na to sa Taiwan guys. Sa Taiwan, sobrang sarap niya. Magkano lang din yun, pero ito, tatry natin siya. Nabili namin to for 35 Hong Kong dollars guys. It stays. Lasang manok guys. Lasang manok na may sauce na maanghang. Tapos may kanin. Lasang chicken talaga. And yung pagka-spicy niya. For our dessert guys, syempre tanghulo tayo for 20 Hong Kong dollars. Good morning guys. So today is Tuesday, May 13 guys. This is our last day. We are here at Times Square guys. So ito na yung last minute shopping namin or last day shopping namin guys. And ang first stop namin is, ay pwede din dito sa welcome. Check tayo. $80 at saka $58 guys. $146 total guys. So ayun lang pala yung welcome guys. Tapos katabi niya lang mismo yung Don Donkey guys. So yeah. Chicken. Kumain muna kami guys dito sa Don Donkey. Nabili namin tong chicken nila for $29 guys. Kasi di pa kami nagbe-breakfast. Time check, 4:15 PM guys, nandito kami sa Big House. Actually, kakagaling lang namin sa Exhibition Center. Doon lang kami nagpalipas ng oras guys. And now, rushing na kami para bumili nga na dadalhin naming egg tart sa Philippines guys. Yeah, I think ito na yung last naming destination bago kami magpunta sa airport.
Even when the river stops, even when it all looks different,